Gabriel.
Ooh. Ooh.
I don't think this is right. Like, should we really be doing this?
Girl, you motivate me. I've been wondering lately. I was thinking you and me. I be smiling lately. You call me baby. Know how to drink me, make me weak. Baby girl, you special. I'ma try my best to put enough effort in the deep. Am I being extra? Am I overstepping my boundary?
Alright, y'all, it's your boy Kaylin and Danielle. Back with another video, another reaction video. This time we got some ASMR chiropractic bone popping, chiropractic adjustment, whatever it is. We just finna hear some bone popping. So here we go. Ready? Ooh.
Good.
Ooh.
Okay.
That felt like it felt good.
Okay.
I hate it when they do neck ones, the head ones.
No. Mario?
That sound like it felt good. Let me do it.
What do you? Oh, no.
Look.
No.
Ok.
Can we move on from the head?
Con la paziente relajada e fácil. Fuera en aire
That's what you need.
y hacemos la técnica.
Ooh, that. Can you even pop that?
I mean, you just did. Let's see, even popping. How much longer? We're only a minute in.
Ooh, I need that. This man is Speedos.
Not the head.
They living life. I need all this right here.
I remember reading the comments, someone said they had that done before and it made their back and stuff hurt even more.
Ok.
Why is he in Speedos?
Oh, the girls are in their bra and underwear.
But he on Speedos, no drawers, nothing.
That's how the girls are.
No briefs. This is what I need too.
You need everything.
Ooh.
Inspira e follare rilassato. Bravo.
What did he even pop?
Oh no, oh no.
Ok. Morbida la morbida. Più rilassata poi. Ok. Morbida. Perfetto.
Ooh, I can't do this. I don't know what's worse, this or people popping videos.
Bravissimo.
She could just like snap her body in half.
Oh my god.
Like, how do you learn how to do this? Like, what'd you do?
Frank's Red Hot. I put that on everything.
How about on astronauts?
Everything.
Yeah.
I actually did pop.
This is what I need right here. Why everybody in Speedos?
I don't know. One way to ask them.
Ask him.
Look, you can ask Gabriel.
Ooh. Ooh.
I don't think this is right. Like, should you really be doing this?
I've seen people say like when they get this, they feel like a whole new person.
No, people said that they feel worse after like a couple months. Like they feel way worse than they did before.
Perfetto.
Perfect.
Ooh.
See, she's in her.
Guardare.
She was in her like underwear and bra.
I'm talking about them Speedos. They ain't got on no drawers.
So a girl can be in underwear, but the guys can't be.
No,
in
I'm talking
underwear.
about he got it on Speedos, not like boxer briefs or anything.
I'm just saying. Look, the girls aren't in boxers.
Okay.
Did you get tattoo right there?
No, it's such a basic tattoo.
Okay.
Okay.
When they go up, I'll be more scared than when they go like to the side.
I'd be scared the whole entire time.
Essa de guardare. Passalo. Máquina.
They ain't even probably. Ooh.
Here, you fall down with it?
Acceso.
Not the feet.
I need
not
this
the
though.
feet. Not the feet.
I need that
Not the feet.
with my left ankle.
Okay.
Oh, he just got snapped
It's
away.
like the light pops. Ooh. Dang.
Okay.
People watch this for like on a regular basis.
Got a million views. Posted some months ago.
Satisfying cracks. Satisfying who? Not me.
Okay.
See?
Perfetto.
Perfect.
Va bene?
I wish I had an accent.
Ok. Basta. Perfetto.
See.
I didn't even know what he said.
Va bene?
Perfect. That sounds like it felt good.
Andando le gambe. Yes. Va bene.
Ah, it hurt.
Bravissimo. Ok.
Okay.
Abbiamo finito.
I like his accent. Like how do
That's a
you...
big one.
Può andare. Controlliamo giusto questo.
It's gonna be a big one.
Resta.
Look.
Perfetto.
Man, it wasn't even nothing.
Guarda.
I can see her. Oh, I can't do this. Oh, is it over?
I love what I do because
Why you didn't pause? It's an
every
ad.
day
I know
I
it.
get to go
You done? Or you wanna keep
Might as
watching?
well
out there
finish
and
it.
have impact in the world through the power.
Alright, now we gonna keep watching, y'all.
I only got like 2 minutes. They came this far.
Bravo.
Like, man,
Respira e fuori.
Is that a catty? Catty? Is that cat litter? Or is that...
Bravissimo. kurang.
What the look? Oh,
Ini fucking.
look at that.
How do your feet in your bones? Feet in your bones. How do the bones in your feet crack like that?
Berat.
No.
Berat.
How many subscribers does he have?
You might not lick it.
I looked for a second. Oh, not that good.
Oh my god.
I'm
Oh.
looking at my peripheral.
Oh, oh, oh. Get over here. Ooh. Alright, y'all. Those was some crackling jokes. Alright, so alright, y'all, that was our reaction video. More videos coming soon. And we out. Peace.
Girl, you motivate me. I've been wondering lately.